My argumentative paper topic was on cell phone radiation and if it was dangerous or not. I said I do not believe that it is dangerous because of 3 reasons I discussed in my paper. One is performing numerous studies does not always tell us the correct information we need to hear. So basically, the National Toxicology Program undertook studies with rodents and injected cell phone radiation into their bodies throughout their lifetime and to see if they would develop cancer. Now, this is like a good idea, and rodents are helpful tools for learning basic biology, but they don't necessarily indicate how humans will respond to that, since it is a rodent and it's not a human, and the cell phone radiation was more intense and taken all over their body. It's hard to tell the danger to human health from that. The second reasoning was there are many factors that can affect the amount of energy from RF waves that a person is exposed to. Basically, these include the amount of times a person is on the phone, whether it's holding up a phone to their ear, or it's on the Bluetooth device, or how far you are, the distance from a cell tower, the amount of cell phone traffic in the area at the time, and the model of the phone being used. The risk, the cancer you can get all depends on how you're using it, etc. The lab studies of RF waves given off by cell phones don't have enough energy to damage DNA directly or to heat body tissues. Because of this, it is not clear how cell phones might be able to cause cancer given these results. The third and final reason I said was every test or study that is and has been done has no strong evidence that cell phone radiation causes cancer. So an analysis of data from the NCI surveillance epidemiology and end results program evaluated trends in cancer incidence in the United States. This analysis found no increase in the incidence of brain or other central nervous system cancers between 1992 and 2006, despite the dramatic increase in cell phone use in the country during that time. But the evidence is not strong enough to be considered casual and needs to be investigated further. The opposing factor might say that the cell phone radiation is dangerous. They believe that radiation can cause numerous of cancers. I believe that it could cause damage to either the body or brain, but many reliable sources with professionals don't think that is something to worry about, at least for now. I conclude that we should be more aware of it in the coming years when it actually could become a risk in our lives when they have more evidence on it that it could cause harm.